Today we're working in Adobe Acrobat Reader, adding additional comments. We're going to work with three types of comments. We're going to work with attachments. We're going to work with audio or recording audio, or in other words, narration. And we're going to work with underline. So to start off, I'm going to start by doing the attachment. So when you work in class, decide to attach your PowerPoint presentation to your PowerPoint manual, your Excel file, to your Excel manual, etc. And what happens is the attachment is actually embedded, so it's always with the manual when you open it. So I'm going to click the tool, Attach File, and then I'm going to click on the page. I'm going to scroll down till I find a sample PowerPoint presentation, and I'm going to attach that to this document. When you attach it, a dialog box appears that says File Management Attachment Properties, and I'm going to choose which of these tools or which of these symbols I should use. I'm going to stick with the paperclip, and I'm going to click OK. We're going to move on now. We're going to use the underline tool. To do that, I'm going to use my book. I'm going to the navigation pane, and I'm going to expose chapter 1, and I'm going to scroll down until I find themes. I'm going to emphasize a part of this paragraph with the themes. It says the default theme is Office theme. So I'm going to take my underline tool. Again, remember, do not drag into the document, then just roll into the document, and I'm going to select and underline that. So notice now on the right side in the comment task pane, I have two comments. This time it's an attachment and using the underline. The next one I'm going to use is the audio or narration. And to do that, I am going to scroll up in my bookmarks and compress chapter 1. I'm going to close the bookmark pane. I happen to know that sound clips in PowerPoint are on page 117, so I'm going to type in 117, press enter. And when I scroll down a little bit on the page, I should be able to see some information about sound clips. So here I'm just going to put in a little narration file. So I'm going to click on the narration file, which looks kind of like a microphone. I'm going to click it, and then I'm going to click it within the document. Guys, you can only do this if you have a built-in microphone. Most laptops, these are included. When I click, it's waiting for me to record. So I am going to click on the record button. This is a sample file within PowerPoint. Then I'm going to stop it, and then I'm going to click OK. Again, I get a choice of sound attachments properties. I'm going to leave it on the default and click OK. And there is now my sound clip that is added. Now this means you have, say for example, a PDF of pictures, and you could narrate beside each picture in your PDF. You could narrate a storybook if you created one. If it was a PDF, you can add narration throughout. So an example of playing it would be to click. This is a sample file within PowerPoint. Then I'm going to stop it. So there you are. That's an example of some more comments that can be included into your PDF file.